Hello everyone. When we are doing assignments in Google Classroom, and sometimes our assignments are sent as a PDF, such as vocabulary graphic organizer, I ask you to do the assignment on Google Docs so that way we don't have to worry about any formatting issues if we're trying to upload the PDF over here. If we go to open in a new window, we can then go open with Google Docs, and sometimes the formatting is not good enough to work in. So it looks all confusing, it's all jumbled up, and it's not really what I want to do. So we have two options. One is we can use text boxes and open this up and try and complete our work in here. We actually have three options. We can print this out, do the work on here, take a picture of our work, and then upload it. Or what I am demonstrating today is we can just open a Google document and do the work, transfer whatever information we need to answer, transfer the work from the PDF to the Google document. So on all Google documents, we always want to put our name, date, and assignment name. So this would be number, the stars, vocabulary, chapter 1, and then we go back and look at what are we being asked to do. The word, definition, part of speech, synonym and antonym. So we can do the word here, part of speech, definition, synonym, antonym, and a sentence. Let's look at one word from chapter 1, exasperation. And if we flip it over, it means in the state of being exasperated, irritated. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my Google document, write the word, exasperation, and its part of speech is a noun. It's an abstract noun. And the definition is irritated, or the state of being irritated. A synonym could be irritated, and antonyms can be maybe content. And a sentence I can have is I was feeling exasperation because my parents kept asking me to do a ton of chores. Okay, and then just to format this a little better, we might want to bold and underline the word, the assignment pieces that we need to do. Go up and format it so it's double spaced. And then we can go on to our next word. So we can keep this template. Before I did all my work, I could copy and just paste the word part of speech for how many words I'm being asked to complete and turn this in as my work. Okay, here's the chapter 2 comprehension for number the stars, and these will be assigned for each chapter. We could do the same thing as I demonstrated for the vocabulary. We do the same thing for here. So we go to Documents, open a new document. Same thing. Name, date, number the stars. Comprehension, chapter 2. And for these, we have these questions here, open-ended questions. Why do the people of Denmark love Christian and King Christian? I would go back and write the number of the question and restate the question. The people of Denmark love King Christian because he was a man of the people. And we use race, restate the question, answer the question, cite evidence from the text, and explain why we use that evidence. So on page 12, it explains that King Christian, so the people of Denmark loved King Christian because he was a man of the people. On page 12, it explains that King Christian was not like other kings who demanded to be entertained. He was a real human being, and each morning he would ride through the streets of Copenhagen greeting his people. Because King Christian was kind and not an evil or mean king, the people of Denmark loved him. So this is how we can transfer our information from our PDFs onto a Google document. Why does the king fight the Nazis? So that they wouldn't come to Denmark. We will just simply write for number 3, write the sentence. Rewrite the sentence for number 4 and number 5, 6, and 7. Just write A and what it is. So if number 5 is A, write A, Lisa, number 5, Lisa has died. Of course, if there's any questions, just contact me through Slack or on Google Classroom. I hope that clears up any confusion how to do work from a PDF onto a Google document. This is I'm very flexible with this. You can, as long as you're showing your information and your understanding, that is all that I can expect. So thank you very much and have a great day.